Hello!
Hello! Houseplants. They are awesome.
They are so beautiful and they make the home feel really
Special.
special.
And green. And lifting. And homely. And
Natural.
light. And breezy.
And airy. We have quite a few houseplants.
Every few months we tend to go through our houseplants and give them a bit of a clean, bit of a sort out, and a very good water. We are quite bad at not watering them too often, so we try and keep a regular schedule and get it done. So come and join us today and we'll do them.
Yes, luckily the plants that we have are quite hardy and don't need a lot of maintenance, so that's what I really love about them. But it's definitely time to repot them, and they're giving off little baby shoots, so yay! It's time to harvest them too. Is it harvesting?
It's
harvesting.
Yeah, absolutely.
So yes, where do we begin?
Right. I think we should begin by making the babies.
That's already taken care of.
It is. Okay. Right. Pots.
Pots, yes. We found some bigger pots inside the useful shipping
Oh,
container.
yes.
They are outdoor pots, but we don't have any plans for our outdoor courtyard just yet, so we're going to borrow them until we can get more indoory pots. And for now, we're going to replant the parents into the bigger pots and then use these smaller
Pots for the babies.
pots for the babies. That's right.
Oh, yes. Right. Soil.
Harvesting the spider plant babies is really simple. You just find them on the stalk and use scissors to cut it off.
Absolutely.
I'm cutting it about 1 inch away. Snip, and then just poke it into a new prepared pot. Now these are the ones we repotted a couple of weeks ago, and they've really shot up from something this size to something this size.
And they just keep on multiplying and multiplying.
Yes, James decided to leave the stalks on just to see if new babies would form, and they totally did, so this is our second harvest. And we really love it.
We do.
Yes.
But where are we going to put all these?
Oh, I know. Do you fancy some? We can send you some.
If you do want spider plants, let us know.
Let us know. We have too many.
We do. Inundated.
Too many plants. Whilst I do this, I thought it was going to be quite a good time to go over why we like spider plants so much. Apart from that, they're really beautiful and easy to care for and give many shoots, so they're easy to multiply. They are also known for removing harmful chemicals from air, and even NASA recommend having spider plants. They say they remove about 87% of volatile organic compounds in 24 hours. So that makes it really good to have in the home, as it gets rid of all the toxic chemicals, odors, fumes. We harvested all the shoots from the stems that have grown, but last time James has left them on just to see what happens, and we actually had a second harvest, and I can see little babies coming back, so we are going to leave these shoots hanging and see if we can get a third harvest. Wouldn't that be amazing? That'd be so good.
A while back, we made some nettle fertilizer. We put a bag of nettles into a water butt, and it's been steeping and stewing and brewing for the past month or so.
Becoming a real proper nettle tea.
Absolutely. So that should be really ready now to add to our aloe vera. Aloe vera?
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera. And also to the spider plants. So come on, let's go and get some.
is. We're
Absolutely. At last.
done. We realized that we have a lot of the same plants because the spider plants and the aloe vera multiply really quickly, so we keep dividing the same, and we seem to just be inundated with the spider plants and aloe veras.
They are getting rather, well, over.
They're overtaking our house.
They are, definitely.
I think
So-
we need to get a few more varieties
Absolutely,
and
we do.
look to give a few of these
Away, if anyone fancies,
So if anyone wants any aloe vera or spider plants, let us know.
and give us a shout.
Give us a shout. Let us know.
And whilst you're here, why don't you subscribe down below?
Give us a
or
like.
Give us a like, and
And also follow the link to our blog down below. I will write up all that we've done today and all the research that I
yeah,
shall gather.
absolutely, indeed. Okay, bye bye.
See you later.